Let's face it, electric vehicles aren't catching on as much as everybody wanted. Their high price tags, slow charging times, and somewhat limited range have been among the biggest setbacks for EVs, all of which stem from one singular issue: batteries. However, Tesla has just announced a new battery that will eliminate these issues and spark a new EV revolution. Say hello to Tesla's Diamond Nuclear Battery. Let's explore what makes this such an impressive new addition to the world of electric vehicles. But before we dive into that, we need to understand the concept of diamond batteries and what makes them so remarkable. Diamond batteries, also known as nuclear diamond batteries, are a proposed battery type that uses radioactive energy and artificial diamonds to generate electricity. The idea behind them is that these batteries would be mechanically less complex, with reduced stress, increasing their longevity and reliability. These batteries utilize carbon-14, a radioactive isotope known for its decaying properties. As time passes, carbon-14 undergoes decay, releasing beta radiation, which is where artificially made diamonds come in. Because of their structure, diamonds are excellent radiation absorbers. They absorb beta radiation emitted by the isotope and convert it into electrical energy. As beta radiation interacts with the diamond, it produces a small but continuous electrical current. And since carbon-14 decays very slowly, this process can theoretically last as long as the half-life of the isotope. The result? These batteries can last unbelievably long periods and will practically never need to be recharged, solving the decades-long issue of EV range and autonomy. Additionally, they are indestructible and practically unbreakable, as no amount of regular use will wear them down. Of course, mechanical damage could render the battery less potent or entirely ruined, but this is true for all batteries. Beyond their durability, these batteries would benefit both the economy and the environment, long-lasting and recyclable. Since these batteries could last hundreds of years, they could be recycled from an older vehicle and installed into a newer one. Eco-friendly production. Unlike lithium-ion batteries, they wouldn't require highly polluting industrial excavation and filtering. Higher energy density. These batteries could theoretically achieve tens to hundreds of times greater energy density than traditional batteries. Because of these advantages, many companies are investing in nuclear diamond batteries, and Elon Musk is one of the most notable names exploring this technology. Recently, Elon Musk acknowledged that Tesla has been facing serious issues, particularly with the Giga Texas factory. The production of the Model Y has been inefficient, turning the multi-billion-dollar factory into an endless money pit. According to Musk, the root of the problem lies in the 4680 battery production, which has faced severe challenges. The production issues were so extreme that Musk fired Drew Baglino, who had been with Tesla since its inception and was responsible for the 4680 battery project. Musk even warned the entire battery team that they would be fired by the end of the year if they couldn't resolve the issue. So far, there have been no significant improvements, apart from empty promises and optimistic statements. At the same time, lithium-ion batteries have been facing increasing environmental scrutiny. It has been established that producing a lithium battery releases enormous amounts of carbon dioxide and is highly toxic to the environment. As a result, Musk has begun searching for an alternative to both lithium-ion and 4680 batteries. Recently, diamond nuclear batteries have caught his attention, and he has expressed strong interest in developing them further. Musk recognizes that if Tesla doesn't introduce a revolutionary new battery, the company risks either falling behind or becoming dependent on its rivals for battery technology. Companies like BYD, Toyota, and CATL are actively developing next-generation battery alternatives. The most notable among them is Toyota's solid-state battery, but even it faces challenges due to its reliance on lithium. By contrast, diamond nuclear batteries could give Tesla a major competitive edge by offering a game-changing advantage over its competitors. Imagine a car that never needs to be recharged. That would be game-changing. Furthermore, because these batteries don't require conventional recharging, they could eliminate the need for EV charging infrastructure, which is one of the biggest sources of carbon emissions in EV adoption. If Tesla were to successfully develop and patent the first functional diamond nuclear battery, it would eliminate a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. This breakthrough could make Elon Musk the wealthiest person in history, but the potential of these batteries extends beyond Tesla. They could also revolutionize SpaceX. Because these batteries require little to no recharging and can self-generate power over time, they would be ideal for spacecraft. particularly for long-duration missions. However, there are still major challenges with diamond nuclear batteries. Despite their potential, nuclear diamond batteries face significant hurdles that prevent them from being widely adopted. Low power output. While nuclear batteries have high energy density and provide consistent power, they struggle to deliver the high power output needed for EV acceleration. Public skepticism. Many people are hesitant about nuclear technology, let alone the idea of a radioactive battery inside their vehicle. Safety concerns. These batteries rely on beta radiation, which is relatively safe, but using alpha particle-emitting isotopes could pose a risk. Alpha particles are easily blocked by paper or skin, but if inhaled, they can be lethal. While the batteries are designed to contain radiation, a serious collision could expose passengers to radiation hazards. Cost. Nuclear batteries will never be cheap. The high cost of lithium-ion batteries has kept EV prices high. Nuclear batteries would likely be even more expensive, making them unaffordable for the mass market. While these challenges don't mean nuclear batteries are impossible, they indicate that EVs won't be adopting them anytime soon. Instead, Tesla and the rest of the industry will likely focus on further improving lithium-ion and solid-state battery technologies. For now, Tesla will keep experimenting with alternatives, but the next big breakthrough may come from companies like Toyota and their solid-state battery research. So what happened to Toyota's solid-state battery? Find out in our next video.